at the bank.
Do you need help?
Yes, I do.
What do you need?
A loan application.
Let me help you.
Thank you kindly.
Please fill this form.
Okay, I will. Is this correct?
Yes, that is correct.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What is your income?
About 40,000.
That is good.
Yes, quite stable.
Do you have documents?
Yes, right here.
Let me check them.
Okay, take time.
Everything looks fine.
That is great news.
How much you need?
$5,000.
Is that possible?
Yes, that is possible.
What is the interest?
About 5%.
That is reasonable.
Yes, quite reasonable.
Please sign here.
Okay, I will.
Is that everything?
Yes, that is all.
We will process it.
Thank you so much.
When will it finish?
About 3 days.
That is not bad.
No, quite fast.
We will call you.
Thank you. Waiting.
Do you have questions?
No, all clear.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you too.
Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Hotel check-in. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, right here.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Let me check that.
Okay, take time.
Found it. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Here's your key.
Thank you kindly.
What room number?
Room number 12.
Which floor is it?
The second floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right there.
Thank you for that.
You are welcome.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 onward.
Where is breakfast served?
In the lobby.
That sounds great.
Yes, very great.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
What is the password?
It is on card.
Thank you kindly.
You are welcome.
Is the room quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
That is important.
Yes, quite important.
Do you need help?
No, I am fine.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Is there room service?
Yes, until midnight.
Good to know.
Yes, quite helpful.
Thank you for everything.
Anytime, my friend.
Have a great stay.
Thank you will do.
If you need anything.
I will call.
Have a good night.
You too, thanks.
IT the post office. Do you have package?
Yes, right here.
Let me weigh it.
Okay, thank you.
It is quite light.
That is good.
Where's it going?
To another city.
What is the price?
About $5.
That seems reasonable.
Yes, quite reasonable.
Do you need stamps?
Yes, a few.
How many stamps?
5 stamps, please.
Here you go.
Thank you kindly.
Should I tape it?
Yes, please tape.
Is that enough?
Yes, that is enough.
Please write address.
Okay, writing now.
Is that correct?
Yes, looks correct.
When will it arrive?
In 3 days.
That is quick.
Yes, quite quick.
Do you have tracking?
Yes, right here.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Is that all?
Yes, that is all.
How much total?
$8 total.
Here's the money.
Thank you kindly.
Here is your change.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Thank you for helping.
Anytime, my friend.
See you next time.
Yes, see you.
Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye, thank you.
At the library. Do you have card?
Yes, right here.
Let me check it.
Okay, take time.
Which book you want?
This history book.
Let me find it.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your book.
Thank you kindly.
One can keep.
2 weeks total.
Is that enough?
Yes, that is enough.
Can I renew it?
Yes, if needed.
That is helpful.
Yes, quite helpful.
Is the library quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
I love quiet places.
Me too, honestly.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Where is the password?
On that sign.
Thank you kindly.
You are welcome.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please sit.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Do you have more?
Yes, many more.
Where are they?
On that shelf.
Thank you for helping.
Anytime, my friend.
This place is wonderful.
Yes, truly wonderful.
I will come back.
Please do anytime.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Well, see you soon.
Yes, see you.
Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye, thank you.
At the bus station. Do you sell tickets?
Yes, right here.
Where are you going?
To city center.
When is the bus?
At 10:15.
Is that on time?
Yes, right on time.
How much is it?
$5, please.
Here's the money.
Thank you kindly.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you so much.
Which platform is it?
Platform number 3.
Is that far?
No, quite close.
Thank you for helping.
Anytime, my friend.
Is the bus comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
That is good.
Yes, quite nice.
How long is trip?
About 2 hours.
That is not bad.
No, quite manageable.
Do you travel often?
Yes, quite often.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Is the bus here?
Yes, right there.
Should we board now?
Yes, let us board.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, right here.
Is it heavy?
A little, yes.
Let me help you.
Thank you kindly.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you, will do.
Goodbye, take care.
Goodbye, thank you.